Good morning, everybody. I thought I would do a little bit of Facebook Live today. I was going to go look at some houses this morning, but my customer can't go. Well, I've already got the laundry started. Dishwasher is just about full. A few other things that I was going to do, I've put off, and we're just going to have a little paint fun this morning. So I thought I would show mixing paints. I have no particular design. My last few designs I was either going for a beach or a mountain scene. And today it's just whatever. In the middle of a Facebook Live, I got a phone call. So I don't know what happened on your side. But I just sent that to voicemail. Let's see what we get today. So if you've never seen this before, it's called a dirty pour. Basically, you're stacking colors that are mixed to a certain thinness. And the metallics seem to be a little bit heavier, so they tend to be a little thinner. And then you're pouring them. There's just hundreds of ways. You can YouTube all of the different ways that you can run these. You can flood the entire canvas. You can put them in one cup and then just flip the entire thing over. That's just called a flip cup. Essentially, it's just kind of a tension reliever. And, I don't have major artistic talent. And I find doing this just fun and relaxing. And what the heck, it's a great way to kill a little bit of time in between. And you never know what you're going to get. You can have all the same colors, and they, have two canvases right next to each other, and they come out totally different. So let's see. This is my mix, and the higher up you pour these, the deeper they mix, which actually helps with the design. So let's see. Try to put your colors in so that the most contrasting colors go in one after the other. And again, not going for anything specific. I do seem to like linear patterns, so I'm probably going to pour this in some type of stripe. Some of them come out too messy looking for me. Some people really can fix them and make them look quite arty. Me, it's just going to be a linear fashion. Alrighty, so now we're going to go to just spreading the white across the canvas. And this is just to help your paints flow. If you don't run your paints all the way to the corners, the paint will end up puddling up. So it's easier if you just put down a layer of whatever color that you have the most of. And I happen to have the most of white. Sometimes I do use black. Which does make a nice negative contrast if you don't run the pour across the whole canvas. Okay. Alrighty, so let's see. And I'm just going to start here. And I do have silicone in this too, which helps make some of those really cool bubbles that you see. And the green is taking over, even though I didn't use that much green paint. There usually is one color that just seems to take over a painting. So we'll let this sit a minute, let some of those bubbles pop, let some of those colors come to the top. And usually whatever you put in your cup last kind of gives you some unique striations, so I usually try to save those for putting in between some of your original lines. No major work of art here, just a little fun. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to let this sit, let some of those bubbles pop, and I will come back and show you guys after I've tilted it a little bit what happens, and I'll see y'all later.